Hey, good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in to another YouTube video here at Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV here in Belton, Missouri. Again, Brian Schumann coming to you. In this case with a brand new 2024 Ventana 4037 coach. And this one's really, really well loaded. New colors, kind of a new fit and finish. And I'm starting out here because I want you to see this is the Palisades decor. And I want you to take a look at these new seats. They're kind of two-tone with this kind of ivory with a white kind of stripe through them. It's kind of cool for a new Ventana. I really like what they did with them. And it's a super nice feel on the leatherette that is on this coach. Newport glazed maple matte finish hardwood cabinets. So that's what's in this coach between that and the Palisades. And I'm going to end the video with the fact that special colors outside. I'm sorry, I said matte finish. This is high gloss. My bad. I'm looking at them thinking that is not matte finish. High gloss, Newport glazed maple. Also, Katie was looking at me like, whoa, you crazy. So anyway, on this 4037 Ventana, this is on a Spartan chassis, which again is available on Ventanas now because they're making them more and more like Dutch Stars. This is an all-electric coach. So you've got your Excite radio, Nav and Go, navigation. You got a 360 camera. You can see on the windshield where it has the Mobileye that comes with Spartan. So you have collision avoidance, adaptive cruise, lane assist warning, all those kinds of precautions that makes your driving much, much safer and keeps you focused on the road. Heated floors throughout the coach. Look at this matte finish tile floor. It just does beautifully with this Palisades decor. Kind of an off-white cream color. And again, the Newport glaze, nice soft wood color. It's not a dark, but it's not oak colored. It's just a nice tan with, again, your valances and the wallboard. Sets it off really, really nice. This particular coach, again, we have a trifold sofa on the door side that'll fold out. Opposite your recliners. And your televator, of course, is on your door side over by the couch. And I want to call your attention also to the windows that'll open. So you've got windows that'll open both on your recliner side, on your dinette, over by your couch, and even on your large kitchen window, which is nice. You can get a lot of free-flowing air in this coach. And that coupled with your fantastic fan, turn that on, you're going to bring in all that mountain fresh air or lake air that you want in a heartbeat. These fantastic fans move a lot of air. Speaking of which, of course, Newmars have what's called comfort air. Remember, the air conditioners run right down the middle of the coach, and you can pop these down and get to the vents, your return air, and the filters, so you can service those yourself without having taken them in to get them cleaned or looked at. As we look in here, you've got a pull-out counter on your 4037. And one of the things I like to point out is that the trays are as long as the counter. Many times you could pull this thing out, it's only going to be half that size, but Newmar doesn't do that. They have the pullouts, and their slide trays are just as long as the pullout section. Again, all electric coach, so you have an induction cooktop, which remember, when it's curved like this, that means you can lift this thing out, take it outside to cook your aromatic like bacon and fish and things like that. Plus you have 2 cutting boards. Microwave, Whirlpool, microwave convection oven, dishwasher, dual sinks of equal size, which is nice. Plenty of counter space back here with plug-ins here. So again, your cooking appliances, toaster, coffee maker, you name it, you do have enough room and depth to put other devices out here for your cooking needs. Coming across, you have your Euro booth, which can drop down and form another sleeping setup for little kiddos or big dogs. Your pantry with locking shelves. And again, the shelves can be removed or moved to different heights for different kind of like cereal boxes and spices, things like this. So you can tailor make that to how you like it. Bath and a half in this 4037. Again, your Newmar patented pin door enables you to open that up and still grab a beverage and go to the bathroom while the coach is going down the road. But a nice, adequate mid-bath, porcelain sinks. You do have a central vac system in this coach. opposite your residential fridge. And you have your advanced monitoring system, which is new with Newmar, which just makes it super easy to not only control your coach, but see your different vitals in terms of levels of water, checking on your generator, power. You can check your floor heat. Notice there's 3 ranges of floor heat that you can use, as well as 3 different areas. You do your HVAC, 2 zones for HVAC, and your lights and everything else. Just very, very easy to function with. As we come back into the master bedroom, king bed, charging ports on both sides, of course. And as Newmar has been doing, they have the pre-drilled POC up here where you can send a cord through for a machine you have up there. But there's also a plug-in up here, so you could actually plug in your CPAC machine, leave the machine up here, have it plugged in there, and all you're going to run down through the cords could be your hoses. And again, if there's some other device you need, at least you have power on both sides to do that with. Again, in your dresser area, you've got nice, deep wardrobes, and in case you need one, there's a nice large safe also in this Ventana 4037. As we come back into the master bathroom, another solid sliding door. You have another wardrobe area with some shelves at the bottom that are movable and adjustable, so whatever heights you need. This is the cushion, by the way, for the dinette to make into a bed. So you can see your wardrobe rack up there. And then you have your Splendid washer dryer stacked over here in the corner. And you have your egress door right behind your stool, which is a great way to load your coach, like I always say. And also, when this is opened up, you have access to the back seat of your toilet. So if you needed to do any diag or mechanical work, you're not taking out any walls or anything like that, not even taking out any boards at all. It's just completely accessible. Really cool design circular sink this year in the Ventana, kind of classy, gives it a kind of an upscale look to it. On the 4037 you do get 1 sink, not 2. But while we're here, I also want to call your attention to this really large shower and bench that you can sit on if you need to. 2 heads. Again, this is your water miser system, so your AquaView water miser will be such that you can turn the water on when the blue light turns on, then you can flip it over and then stop recycling water and jump in, because you know the water is at the temperature you want at that point. So Spartan Chassis 360 camera on this coach, all electric, central vac, dishwasher, recliners, nice color combination all the way around, 2-tone leather. 2 more things I want to show you on the way out are the following. 1, this has got a special order paint on it. But before we go outside, I'd like to call your attention, actually 3 things. 1, you do have a work table right here with a cup holder on it. 4 things. And a self-charging phone here, pad, and one over there for the drivers. But this is what I like too. This is kind of cool with Newmar. When you have the stairs that recline the way these do, it enables you to have these storage bins right here at the onset of the coach. So again, if you have a pet, great place for pet supplies, water, dish, food, you name it. Or if you don't have a pet, great place for sandals, Crocs, Hey Dudes, muck shoes, whatever you want, or a place to take those off before you get into the coach. But just come outside here real quick, and I want Katie to show you the custom paint job we do. The neat thing about Transwest is when we order these coaches, we can change these colors. Like from the factory, maybe this might have been white, we decide to make it gray, and maybe make this white, and this is a burgundy color. But we can change 1 color or all 3 or 4 or 5 colors for the same price. So if this 4037 doesn't meet your needs for some reason, you can always order one from us, and you can pick out the colors and the order that you want those. You can't change the graphics on it, but you can change what colors you want where. So just wanted to close with that. Again, Brian Schumann, Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV of 2024 Ventana 4037. It's available. Super coach. Give me a call anytime. And always safe travels. Talk to you later.